Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is made especially for Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about charging problem if your phone is charging slowly or not charging. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.